Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face Trending List, published on September 12, 2025, which was about 4 days ago. The big idea is IGPO, a reinforcement learning framework that uses inpainting to steer exploration in diffusion large language models, delivering state-of-the-art gains and cutting all wrong groups by about 60%, while boosting accuracy on GSM 8K by 4.9%, Math 500 by 8.4%, and AMC by 9.9%. The paper is titled, Inpainting-Guided Policy Optimization for Diffusion Large Language Models, and the implications for training stability are quite significant. In short, guided inpainting restores meaningful gradients, improves sample efficiency, and pairs well with concise supervised fine-tuning to stabilize reasoning. On X, commenters highlight that inpainting guides exploration by seeding partial solutions during training, which boosts math reasoning and reduces sample waste, matching the gains we just discussed. One post garners about 94 likes, indicating solid engagement. Alright, the previous segment summarized the headline, Gains and Stability. Figure 1 illustrates how the method works and why the gains appear. Panel A shows inpainting-guided sampling, where partial hint chunks fix key steps and the diffusion model inpaints the rest, so exploration stays near correct reasoning while preserving self-generated tokens. Panel B reports training curves that rise faster and cut all wrong groups, which restores useful gradients. Panel C compares results, with the combined recipe topping baselines on GSM 8K, Math 500, and AMC. Alright, the previous figures set up the training pipeline. Figure 2 explains how zero advantage groups get fixed through hint-guided inpainting. The left block shows an all-wrong sampling group with advantages equal to 0, which means the gradient vanishes. The middle block injects selected ground truth chunks as fixed hints, while the diffusion model inpaints the remaining tokens, so some generations become correct. The right block augments the group with those verified correct inpainted responses, restoring reward variance and enabling non-zero advantages. Alright, the previous figure detailed the mechanism for fixing zero advantage groups. Figure 3 presents training curves that compare IGPO against GRPO, and the full graphics show average accuracy rising over reinforcement learning steps with shaded standard errors. The left panel shows gains when starting from LLADA instruct, where IGPO climbs steadily while GRPO drifts or plateaus. The right panel shows higher and steadier accuracy after length-aligned supervised fine-tuning, which indicates that IGPO stays stable and maintains an advantage, because guided inpainting reduces all wrong groups and restores useful gradients. So the previous figure contrasted training curves. Table 1 reports end performance across GSM 8K, Math 500, and AMC, which makes the gains concrete. The length-aligned supervised fine-tuning already lifted accuracy, and adding IGPO pushed the average to about 52.7, with peaks of 86.4 on GSM 8K and 47.4 on Math 500, plus 24.4 on AMC. The IGPO row above also beat Uni-GRPO and Diffu-GRPO because guided inpainting restored reward variance. So, the previous table cemented the end results. Figure 4 compares hint-inject ratios over reinforcement learning steps, with average accuracy across benchmarks on the y-axis and shaded standard errors. Partial hints, sampled between 20 and 60%, climb steadily and beat both full inpainting and no inpainting. The gap grows because partial hints force the model to connect the dots with its own tokens, which yields correct inpainted traces and more informative gradients. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Guided inpainting rescues collapsed gradients in group optimization by turning all wrong groups into informative updates, and concise length-aligned supervised fine-tuning pairs with it to boost accuracy and stability across math benchmarks. The broader implication is clear. Diffusion language models unlock new RL levers for efficient reasoning training. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.